Hey guys, having two little girls, I am always trying to make bath time super fun. So I got these little unicorn toy bath bombs and they have sea salt made in them. So it makes their skin extra moisturized, but all they really care about is it's fun in the bathtub. So let's open these up. Look at how cute these are. They're so fun, so many different colors, and the aroma, they smell so good. So I want to show you guys, look at how cute these are. Look at, they have like little cupcakes on here. They're different fun colors. They do all smell the same, but they're absolutely adorable. They do have different toys as well since they are unicorn toys. So I want to show you guys, let's open one up and let's see how it goes. Okay, so now that we have this open, let's go ahead and put it in. Look at how fun. It immediately starts to fizz and fall apart. This is so soft. It feels like butter. So the top actually feels like this icing material, and then the bottom feels like the bath bomb material. It makes my hand so soft. It even changes the color of the water a little bit. How fun. So inside, look at this adorable little toy that it comes with. So cute. So if you're looking for a Christmas gift, if you're looking for a birthday present, or if you're just looking for making bath time a little bit more fun, go check it out, guys.